Hello children, how are you? Welcome to math class. Okay children, today we are going to start with chapter number 1, pre-number concepts. Okay, before moving towards the main topic, let's revise some of the concepts which you have already learnt in previous class. Children, see the first picture. Here, this picture represents a short frock and a long frock. Short frock, long frock. Short and long. Okay. Next, see the next one. What are they? Yes, an elephant and an ant. Okay. Students, can you lift an elephant? No, we can't lift an elephant. Why? Because it is so heavy. So we can't lift an elephant. Can you lift an ant? Yes, we can easily lift an ant. Why? Because it is so lighter. So that easily we can lift an ant. Okay. See the next one. Here this picture represents a bus and a car. In these two vehicles, which one is big? Yes, bus is big. Students, can you say which one is small? Yes, car is small. Bus is big and car is small. See the next one. Children, here this picture represents a man and a boy. See children, here man is tall and a boy is short. Man is tall and a boy is short. See the next one. Here we have two types of books. Are they in same size? No, they are in different sizes. The first one is thick and the second one is thin. Thick book, thin book. Okay children, now we are moving towards our main topic, that is pre-number concepts. Children, let us start with recap. Match the following. Here we have some objects given in two columns. Objects are given in two columns. Let us see which objects are given in first column. A bag, a book, a pencil, an eraser and a sharpener. These objects are given in first column. Now let us see which objects are given in second column. Okay children, see a book, a bag, an eraser, a sharpener and a pencil. These objects are given in second column. Students, if you observe the objects carefully, you can understand that one object is given two times. One object is given two times. Students, can you find the same object and match them? Yes, we can. Can you say which object is given in first column? Yes, it's a bag. Children, can you find where is bag in second column? Yes, is there. So match them with a line. Now, which is the second object in first column? Book. So, can you find a book in second column? Yes, it is there at first in second column. So, match the two books with a line. Now, which is the third object in first column? A pencil. Now, is there pencil in second column? Yes, it is there at the last in second column. So, match the two pencils with a line. Now, the fourth object in first column is an eraser. Can you find an eraser in second column? Yes, it is there at third place. So, match the two erasers with a line. So, the last object in first column is a sharpener. Can you find a sharpener in second column? Yes, it is there at the second place from the last. So, match the two objects with a line. Okay children, matching is completed. Now, let us see the next topic. Children, see the let's begin. Here there is a small story for you. Listen carefully. One day, Shriya's mother went to her relative's house. As she forgot a few objects, she made a phone call to Shriya and asked her to bring some of the objects from their house. In that, Shriya's mother asked her to bring a smaller umbrella. Shreya went to her house to bring a smaller umbrella. But in Shreya's house, there are two umbrellas. One is in green color and one is in yellow color. By seeing the two umbrellas, Shreya can understand that a yellow umbrella is smaller than green umbrella. Green umbrella is bigger than smaller umbrella. As her mother told that she has to take the smaller umbrella. So, Shreya taken yellow color umbrella. So, Shreya brought yellow color umbrella as her mother told. Now, Shreya's mother asked her to bring the bigger suitcase. But in Shreya's house, there are two suitcases. One is in pink color and another one is in red color. In that two suitcases, red color suitcase is the bigger one than pink color suitcase. So as her mother told her, Shreya brought red color suitcase. Later, Shreya's mother asked her to bring thicker blanket. Then Shreya checked for the blanket. There they have two blankets. In the two blankets, one is in pink color and another one is in purple color. In that, the purple color blanket is thicker one than the other one. So, as her mother told, Shreya brought purple color blanket. Now, Shreya's mother asked her to bring the longer pencil. There, they have two pencils. One is in green color and another one is in yellow color. As her mother told that she has to bring longer pencil. So, green pencil is longer than yellow pencil. Yellow pencil is shorter than green pencil. Which pencil Shreya has to take now? Yes, as her mother told her, she has to bring green pencil. Children, by listening this story, we have observed that one have different objects in different sizes around us. Okay, children, let us start magic drill 1.1. See the first one. Circle the smaller one from the following. Here in first box we have two teddy bears. How many teddy bears? Two teddy bears. In those two teddy bears, the first one is in blue color and the second one is in brown color. Children, can you say which one is smaller in those two teddy bears? Yes, brown color teddy bear is in smaller size and the blue color teddy bear is in bigger size. According to the sentence, we have to circle the smaller one. Here the smaller one is brown color teddy bear. So, circle brown color teddy bear. In second box, we have an apple and a watermelon. In these two fruits, which one is smaller? Say children, which fruit is smaller? Yes, absolutely, an apple is a smaller one. Children, according to the statement, we have to circle the smaller one. In these two fruits, apple is the smaller one. So, circle apple. Now, coming to the second one, circle the bigger one from the following. Circle the bigger one from the following. Which one? Bigger one. See children, in the first box they have given a cup and a jug. Okay. In cup and jug, which one is bigger? Yes, jug is the bigger one. According to the sentence, we have to circle the bigger one. So, which object you have to circle? Yes, jug. We have to circle a jug. Now coming to the second box. In second box, they have given two types of balls. One is cricket ball and the second one is football. One is cricket ball and second one is football. Say children, in these two balls, which ball is bigger? Yes, football is bigger than cricket ball and the cricket ball is smaller than football. So, according to the sentence, we have to circle the bigger ball. So, which is bigger? Football is bigger. So, circle football. Very good. Now, coming to the third one. Circle the longer one from the following. See children, in the first box they have given two ribbons. In the two ribbons, the first one is in yellow color and the second one is in red color. The first one is in yellow color and the second one is in red color. Okay. So children, in these two ribbons, which ribbon is longer? Yes, the first one is longer. It means the yellow ribbon is longer. So, according to the sentence, we have to circle the longer ribbon. So, circle yellow ribbon. Okay. Now, coming to the next box. Here we have 2 spoons. How many spoons? 2 spoons. In these 2 spoons, the first one is in yellow color and the second one is in pink color. First one is in yellow color and the second one is in pink color. According to the statement, which object we have to circle? Yes, the longer one we have to circle. In these 2 spoons, which one is longer? Pink spoon is longer. So that we have to circle pink spoon. Very good. Now coming to the fourth one. Circle the taller one from the following. Circle the taller one from the following. See children, here we have a hut and a building in the first box. So in these two objects, which one is taller? Yes, building is taller. So we have to circle a building. In the second box, we have 2 trees. In the 2 trees, the first one is coconut tree and the second one is mango tree. See children, in these 2 trees, which tree is taller? Yes, coconut tree is taller. So which one we have to circle? According to the sentence, we have to circle a taller tree. Then we have to circle a coconut tree. Why? Because it is the taller one than other tree. Okay. Next one. Coming to the fifth one, circle the shorter one from the following. Circle the shorter one from the following. In the first box, they have given an elephant and a cat. An elephant and a cat. Students, can you guess which one is shorter? Yes, a cat is shorter than an elephant. A cat is shorter than an elephant. According to the sentence, we have to circle shorter one. So in these two animals, which one is shorter? Yes, cat is shorter. So circle a cat. Now coming to the sixth one. Tick the heavier one from the following. Tick the heavier one from the following. Okay children, there they have given a flower pot and a leaf. A flower pot and a leaf. Children, can you say which one is heavier in these two objects? Yes, flower pot is heavier than a leaf. So, we have to put a right mark upon flower pot. Now coming to the second one. There they have given a cat and an ant in the second box. So, in these two, which one is heavier? Yes, cat is heavier than an ant. So, we have to put right mark upon cat. Now coming to the seventh one. Tick the lighter one from the following. Tick the lighter one from the following. Here they have given a book and a pen. In these two objects, which one is lighter? Yes, pen is lighter than book. So we have to put right mark upon a pen. Now coming to the second box. There they have given a feather and a bird. In these two objects, which one is lighter? Yes, feather is lighter than bird. So we have to put right mark upon feather. Very good. Now coming to the eighth one. Tick which has more from the following. Tick which has more from the following. See children, in the first box they have given 2 bunches of grapes. How many bunches? 2 bunches of grapes. In that 2 bunches, the second bunch having more grapes. Then we have to put right mark upon second bunch. Now coming to the second box. There they have given 2 flower pots. In that, the first flower pot having only 1 flower and the second flower pot having more flowers. So we have to put right mark upon more flowers. Now coming to the ninth one. Tick which has less from the following. Tick which has less from the following. See children, in first box they have given 2 groups of balloons. 2 groups of balloons. In the 2 groups, which group having less balloons, we have to put right mark upon that. See, By seeing that we can understand that the second group having less balloons. So put right mark upon second group of balloons. See children, in this box they have given two groups of books. In that two groups, which group having less books? Yes, by seeing the figure we can understand that the second group having less books. So we have to put right mark upon less books. Very good. Now coming to the 10th one. Take the thicker one from the following. Take the thicker one from the following. In the first box they have given two logs. In the two logs, the first one is thicker and the second one is thinner. So according to the sentence, we have to put right mark for the thicker one. So put right mark upon thicker one. It means put right mark upon the first one. Very good. Now come to the next one. See children, in the next box they have given two books. In the two books, the first book is in red color and the second book is in green color. Right? Can you say which one is thicker in the two books? Yes. The red book is thicker book than green book. So we have to put right mark upon red book. Very good. Okay children, see you in the next session.